Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guides will walk you through simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports. Ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers, SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions with various templates and customizable options. It makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So to get started, all you have to do is click over free registration or click over register with this email address. You can use other option like Apple or link with your Google account. Once you do that and you write your email address and your password, you will find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. You choose between that. Then you'll find this page. What do you want to do? First things we have start from scratch or use a quick template or build with EA. We have a first one, begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have here the last one, which is type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose between these three choices, you'll find this page. So here we have the home page as you can see. To get started, we have here entitled draft updated here as you can see. So you can just click over create survey. Once you do that, you will find here this page. Choose a starting point. You have start from scratch, begin with a blank survey or form, then add your questions, text, and images. Then we have your copy and existing survey. Choose a survey, make a copy, edit as needed. Then we have here build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create tailored survey or form just for you. Then we have here pick a popular template. Ask the right questions and save time with a template built for your situation. Then we have here paste your content, add all your questions and answers at once or copy and paste one at a time. Then we have build a target audience, choose audience demographic, then build a survey when you are ready. Then we have use proven research methods. Learn student studies, with target audiences about products, marketing, and brands. For example, I will choose start from scratch. Once you do that, you will find other page which is design survey here. So first of all, you have just to click over add logo here, and you have to upload the drag or upload here the image for your logo. Then we have your page title. You write your title here as you can see, then your page description. Then you click over save and you click over done. You can also edit other one here. As you can see, you have your done button, we have your previous button, and we have next button also. Then we have here also settings. We have the first thing, build. You have multiple choice, checkboxes, start rating, drop down, matrix, and rating scale, and other options. Then we have your style also. You have your logo, footer, and you have fonts, layout, and background also. Then we have your logic, page skip logic, page randomization, question randomization, block randomization, quota, and custom variables. Then we have your options. You have your payment, quiz, survey title, exit link, progress bar, page titles, page numbers, question numbers, required asterisk. Then we have language here. Then we have a question bank, recommended questions, previous used questions, all categories, community, customer feedback, customer satisfaction. Then we have your format, classic, one question at a time, conversation. Then we have your paid features. Your basic plan only lets you preview paid features and question types. Upgrade your plan to use them, or edit remove them to send you a survey for free. Then we have your print also. For this one, we have print surveys. You can just download the PDF with these settings. So if we click over summary here, you'll find this page. About this one, we have your 2 steps that you have to follow to success with SurveyMonkey. We have the first one, add questions, go to collect, and the last step, which is analyze your results. As you can see. Then we have your collect responses. About this one, you'll find this page we have here. How would you like to collect responses to your survey? Send surveys your way, send your surveys by email, embed them on websites, share a link on social media or a web page, and more. Then we have target your ideal respondent by responses from the right demographic on our global survey panel. SurveyMonkey audience get results in minutes. Then we have analyze results here. About this one, we have here various options like questions, summaries, insights and data trends, individual responses, and dashboard. We have also here rules, saved views, export, shared data, and insights. We have also a filter, compare, show also. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So this is how it works with SurveyMonkey. You can just get started right now, and you will, by following these steps, you will succeed with SurveyMonkey.com. We have also, before get started, other information like you create online surveys in minutes, get better quality insights faster with EA, expertly created templates, and other tools to reach a wide audience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.